Think this bird just dropped dead on cue? Brace yourself, this is nature's oldest prank, Thanatosis, or playing dead. The killdeer, often seen on lawns or parking lots, mates on the ground, where predators lurk. When danger approaches, the killdeer flops dramatically, showing its belly in a dead-set act, drawing the predator away from the nest. Once the threat leaves, it jumps back up and walks away like nothing happened. Not just a performance, it's smart survival. A fake feint to protect its family. So next time you see a bird that looks lifeless, don't freak out. It might just be acting. Nature's very own distraction prank.